In a world that moves fast, planning your journey should be effortless. Introducing Himmel, the smarter way to book your next flight or train, anytime, anywhere. From exploring routes to placing an order, Himmel puts the power in your hands, all from a beautifully designed platform. For businesses and admins, Himmel delivers live data, real-time stat, and full control, all in one powerful dashboard. Customers can chat directly, claim vouchers in a tap, and get their e-tickets with QR codes ready to scan and go. Himmel supports every role: admin, staff, and customers, with a seamless experience on desktop, tablet, or mobile. Whether you're tracking orders, handling complaints, or managing user access, Himmel makes it easy, secure, and fast. Welcome to Himmel. Travel anywhere, anytime, your way.